Hey guys, hello people, good morning everyone. Joshi, please get me that mustard. Let me play music.
I thought it's off.
Please share this video. Please share this video. I have a very important message to pass on. I need you guys to share this video. Please share this video for me, okay? Happy weekend, guys. That must say happy weekend.
Happy weekend.
You're not saying, you're not saying.
Happy weekend.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Did you miss your fans?
Yes.
So tell them your name loud
Diamond.
with boldness.
Diamond Edos.
Yes, Diamond Edos. She just came out. Yes, we are here to pass a very important message to our fans, to everyone all over the world. Diamond, right? Yes. So, I and my amazing princess, we have decided to come out this morning to pass a very important message to everyone. Please, guys, I really need you. We need you to share this video for us. Please, for Christ's sake, please share this video, okay? Share it. Share the video. Please share this video. Share this video, please. How you guys enjoying your weekend? I hope it's going well. I hope you're done with your house chores and you're about kicking off on the party and excitement for the day. I wish you a lovely day, a fun, loving day, and everything. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Yes. Please, guys, I need you to share the video. Share the video, please. Share the video. We have a very important message. Yes, before I start, I would like to say shout out to my fans. Fans, oh yeah! Oh yeah! Fans all over the world. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Yes. I and Diamond, we have decided to come out to appeal to you to say we appreciate your love so far. We appreciate how much you love us, and we also love you back richly. Diamond, what do you say about that? Don't you love them? Tell them you love them. Tell them how much you love them.
I love you.
Diamond says she love you guys, and me, I love you guys. Gidigba. Plenty, too much love, overload. Yes, I love those who love me. I love my fans all over the world, wherever you are. We love you. Yes, added from Diamond, so it is much trailer load of love. We love you too much love, overload. Yes, and we love those who love us. Yes, this message is specially for our fans all over the world. If you go to my YouTube channel, Shine Francis TV YouTube channel, I have almost 20. Mommy, come on. Mommy, come. Mommy? Yes. Yeah, guys. As I was saying, if you go to my YouTube channel, Shine Francis TV YouTube channel, we have almost 20,000 subscribers. Yes, and I decided to come out and say no, because this matter, this thing is giving me a sleepless night. So that's why I decided to come out. I've released several songs, several movies so far. So I want this thing to keep going higher. I'm a lady, I'm a girl, I'm a mom, I'm a wife, I am an entertainer. I need the support of you guys. Yes. If not for any other reason, if not for me, for the sake of Diamond, right? Yes. If not for me, for the sake of Diamond need more chocolates. Diamond needs more. Diamond, don't you need more chocolates? Tell them now, what do you need?
A big sugar.
A big toy car. More, yes. That one need a big toy car. That one need more chocolate. That one need more biscuits. That one needs more beautiful hair. That one need more beautiful clothes. Yes. So I get most of this support from my YouTube channel. And guess what? That YouTube channel is not getting more views that I need. So for the past 3 months, I've not gotten payment from my YouTube channel, which is not right. And you know, my pleasure, my joy is to put smile on Damo's face. Yes, my joy is to put smile on Damo's face. My joy, yes, my husband is not around, and the only word I look at is Diamond. Yes, and as I'm talking now, I feel like crying because I'm pained in my heart. I've not gotten payment from YouTube for the past 3 months, and that can go a long way to buy me some chocolates. It can go a long way to buy me some biscuits for Diamond. It can go a long way to buy me some ice creams for my beautiful princess. Yes, and I'm feeling pained. Please, I would like you guys to please go and share my songs, my music, my movies, because I've not been getting a lot of views from my movies. I haven't gone to location to do my personal job, and you know this is my passion. I take pleasure in doing my personal jobs. I take pleasure in making music videos. I take pleasure in singing. And if I'm not getting what I'm putting in back, it will make me to not want to do more. Please, please, I have come to appeal to you to please share my songs, share my content to encourage me to do more. I need this money. I'm not a single girl on the street that gets money from everywhere. I need this money. This is the only way you can support me, by sharing my views. Let me get payment from YouTube. I cannot go and beg other people. I cannot go and beg my colleagues or to say, oh, come help me to do this. No, it's my fans that have come to beg. I need you to keep sharing. Mama, please tell them what to do on my channel. What do you think they should do?
Share your music.
Look at the people you're talking to.
I want you to share your music.
You have to say please.
Please share my mommy's music so that I'll be able to fulfill my dreams by being a ballerina and having a big toy car.
Did you just hear that? Ramo said you should please share a mom's movies and content so that she will be able to fulfill her dreams of being a ballerina. You said you want to be a ballerina. Yes, said she wants to be a ballerina and she wants to buy a big toy car. Yes, so by the time you share this content, and if I buy the big toy car for Diamond, I will also come and show you guys that, oh, mommy has fulfilled the promise by buying Diamond a big toy car. Please guys, please share a video, share the content. Share my content on Shine Francis TV YouTube channel. Let me see. Where do you have your songs?
I think it's in play.
First. is one of my songs, one of my numerous songs. I have about 12 tracks or 13 tracks on my YouTube channel. Some have videos already, some are yet to have videos. Please, I need you to share. And if the name of my YouTube channel is right on top of this video, Shine Francis TV. Shine Francis TV YouTube channel. Please share my content. Share my content, and my songs are also all over on Spotify, iTunes, on all of them. Just name it. It's streaming on all music platforms. Please, if you want to download the song, download from there, and then you are also supporting me. Please, and please, and please, please, I'm appealing to you. Don't stop showing me love. Yes, your love is very essential for me. I'm in no competition with nobody. If anybody thinks I'm in competition with you, you are dreaming. No, come on, I'm too old not to know my left or right. I'm just pursuing my goal. I'm just pursuing my dream. So I'm not after anybody. My goal is how to put smile on the face of my diamond. She is my diamond. So that's my paramount concern. If you think I'm after you, I'm in one game with you, man, you just wake up from your sleep. I'm not in no game with nobody. I'm just a mom trying to be happy. I'm just a mom trying to live my life. I'm just a mom and a wife trying to put a smile on my daughter's face. Yes, Joshi is here. Yes, this is my son. Joe boy. Joshi is here. Yes. My obligation is to make these ones happy. That's my obligation. So, as far as I can make these ones happy, no other person. I don't have a fight. I'm not gaming. I'm not contesting. I'm not in no competition with no other person. So please, my fans, you are my backbone. After God is you guys. If I have you, I have your support. No, nothing else counts. You count. Please, please, and please, and please share my videos. Share my videos and like my content. Just share to your loved ones. That's the only thing you owe me. Just share. Just keep like, oh, Shine, I always share your songs. That's how to just tell me you show me love. You love me. That's all I need. That's all I need. No, the audio that I sent through this thing, I want to play it. I want to play my Odonowa. Yeah. Want to do your assignments? All right, go ahead and do it. You have already spoken to your fans. Come and say bye to them before you go and finish your assignments.
Bye.
Okay. No. Hey, is this one? I'm always playing this song for you guys. With your loved one, with your husband, with your wife, with your spouse, with your boyfriend, with your fiancé, with a song. Tell them how much you love them. A song is not for me, it's for you, it's for anyone in love. Yes, so Joshi, tell them what you wanted to do for mommy.
I wanted to give my mom plenty of money.
No, you didn't say hello to them. You didn't greet them. Tell them we're talking about Shine Francis TV YouTube channel. They are not God.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Yeah. Joshi is here. Joshi, mommy wants people to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share our songs. Please tell them for me.
Please share. Please share my mom's song and send her money. Send her money.
Are they God? Tell them to share my song.
Share my mom's song.
And subscribe to Shine Francis TV.
And subscribe to Shine Francis TV.
Okay. So what do you have to say? Say thank you guys for your love.
Thank you guys for your love.
Alright. Do you love them?
Yes.
Alright, bye. So thank you. Joshi has already come out to say please subscribe to mommy YouTube channel Shine Francis TV and please share our content. That's what we are begging you to do for us right now. Share my content. Share my content. Join me to expand my music dreams. Yeah. Join me to expand on it. Join me to fulfill the dream. Join me to attain the greater height and my music dream. And God will bless you as you do so. Please, the name of my YouTube channel is right there. I have almost 20,000 subscribers. My 20,000 subscribers, where are you guys? I've come to appeal to you guys. My 20,000 subscribers. I've come to appeal to you guys. So please, share my songs. Share my content. Share my movies. If all the 20,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel view my content, come on, I'll get paid every month. I'll get paid monthly. You understand? Dollar has increased now. A dollar is about 600 naira to a dollar. Come on, I will have enough money to buy chocolate for Joshua, chocolate for Diamond, and a big toy car. Do you get it? So please, I've come to appeal to you. Share my content on Shine Francis TV YouTube channel. And God bless you as you do so. That's how you show me you love me. That's how you show me you appreciate what I'm doing. That's why you show me you love Diamond, you love Joshua. No, I be auntie, not before mouth. I be chairman, not before mouth. I be chair lady, not before mouth. Now to do something. So do something. And that thing I want you to do for me is to just keep sharing my content on my YouTube. View it. View it. Nothing is free in Freetown. So those are the little things. The tangible thing I want you to do for me. Share and view my content. Imagine my song that I uploaded on YouTube for almost 2 weeks now. It is not up to 1K views. Come on. And I have almost 20,000 subscribers. I been make I kneel down for I go kneel down. Make una stay I serious. I serious for this matter. Please. I'm on my knees. I kneel down. I dey beg una. I'm begging you guys. Please. I'm kneeling down. Please, oh. Please. Please come and join me to beg them. I'm on my knees. Share my content. Share my views. Please. I'm serious. Will you? If you don't want, no problem. You can go on. Okay. Please share my content. Nama, please tell them.
Please share my mommy's content.
All right. Thank you, darling. Bye. So please share my content, share my music, view it, and please share to keep me in business. I need this money. I need this money to buy more chocolate and big toy cars. Please share my content. Oh my God, share my content. I'm not crying. Don't think I'm crying. Share my content, please. I would have cried, or if I cried, now Dama will start crying. That's why I'm not crying. I will not cry because Joshua is here. They will start crying. So please share my content. I'm pained in my heart. It's giving me a sleepless night. Oh my God! Even when I started my YouTube channel newly, I wasn't even having this low views. Please share my content with love, please. Please and please and please. That's why I've come to appeal to you. And God will bless you richly as you do so. More money in your bank account, more money to you, more favors to you. As you share my content, as you view my content, more money in your account, good health, long life, prosperity. God will also meet you at the point of your need. God will grant unto you all your heart desires. With love that you have shown me, love will envelop you all over the world. Love will envelop you left, back, and front. Anyone that wants to fight you, God will fight them. Anywhere there is danger in your front, you will not reach. God will sweep away that danger away from your front. If there is danger in your back, God will pull you out of there. It will not come near you. Whatever you lay your hands upon, you will excel. You will prosper. You will grow from glory to glory. You will grow from strength to strength. No weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. For the love that you have decided to show me, Shine Francis Odigwe, God will bless you. Your life will be filled with milk and honey. Your life will be filled with sweetness. Please, in the name of Jesus, I pray your life, it shall be well with you in Jesus' name. Please. And share it to your loved ones. You viewing it alone and keeping it to yourself, it will not increase the views. The only way you need to show me love. I dedicate today to beg you guys. Please, I dedicate today to beg you guys, to appeal to you guys, to show me love. The love you are showing to me is not for only me, it's for my entire household. If you don't love me, at least do it for Diamond, my beautiful princess, Diamond. I love you, baby. Yes. If you don't love me, do it for Joshua, my cute son. I love you, boo-boo. Yes. It's my pleasure to post mine on the faces of this one and Joshua also. So please, show me this love. Let me extend mine to the world. And God will bless you richly as you do so. Thank you, guys. I would love to call it a day here. Bye, guys. Have a pleasant day. Enjoy your weekend. And as I begin to say difference in my YouTube channel, I will come back and appreciate and say una do well, because without una, my fans, there will be no me. There will be no Shine Francis or Odige or Senige on entertainment industry. And I need you guys to expand my goal. And God will bless you as you do so. Bye.